The purpose of this seminar is to elevate the level of golf refereeing and tournament administration in general, a skill that we have not been able to spread as wide as we would have wished, simply because the available seminars could only be held either in Scotland at St. Andrews or in South Africa. So this is the first time that we are holding the TAS seminar in Kenya, and it allows us to accommodate a lot more people that are interested in enhancing their rules knowledge and tournament administration knowledge. The beauty about those who graduate from this seminar is that we will now have a lot more skills available across different clubs on how to professionally run events and tournaments, and how to manage and apply the rules of golf. So this is part of the union's program to develop the skills that our players and our officials have, in addition to the level 1 and level 2 sessions and seminars that we've been running in the past.